Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back again. Today I will be showing you how to install a new printer. Yesterday I have a phone call from Printmark company requesting me for a help to install their newly delivered printer at two locations. One here at NIC DC office, Chandel district, and one at Technopole DC office. But for today I will be going to DC office here in Chandel and installing the printer. The other one that is from Technopole district, it's quite far from here, from my location, so I don't know, I'm not sure whether they will send me or they will find another person to go for the installation. I have an experience of more than 15 years as a DTP operator here in my own studio, and I have been handling many kinds of inkjet and laser printers. Like I have been using HP printers and then Canon printers and now Epson's. And today will be my first touch on this new printer, that is Printmark printers. This is manufactured by Landmark companies. It's an Indian brand assembled in India under the mission of Make in India, a vision by our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi. I hope this printer will be much faster and affordable to everyone. And I will show you how we have to install and how to use. And this is the printer's manual I have printed, and I got the browser of this printer. Installing of almost all the printers are just similar. There's nothing difficult, no complication will be made here. And I am very lucky that the company has contacted me to install this printer for them. I would like everyone who wants to get some help from me, because I have an experience of more than 15 years working as a DTP operator, and you can find me on the Google map. I will share the link below down here. On this map you can find my location, and there you can get my contact number. Contact me for various kinds of computer services, printer servicing, and also assembling of new CPUs and software installation. Mostly I work on audio and video editing softwares, and you can also get help from me if you want me. So you can find my contact number. I will share the link below. You can go on Google, just Google Maps, and find DayGlo-Eyes Multimedia, also CSC Common Service Center, and then you can find it here. This video is not sponsored by the company, but it's my personal interest. I just want to make a video because I went through YouTube and I could not find any videos how to install and how to use this type of new printer. That's why I feel like making a video, so that everyone who uses this printer may get some help how to install and use it. If you want this printer, you can buy, or you can just order it online and they can deliver it for you. You can contact them through the link below in the description. So let's quickly go to DC office, NIC office Chandel, and start the installation of the printer. I am all set to go to the NIC office now. To reach the DC office from my location here, it's like almost 1 kilometers around, and I will be taking the Legend bike RX 100, the most demanded bike in India in hill areas. So my friend will be driving for me, and I will be taking the camera till I reach the DC the office. The district headquarters main bazaar, and in a few minutes I will be reaching DC office, DC complex. So this is the way to district headquarters Secretariat, DC Office Complex. From here we take a left. We have reached DC office right here, and inside there is an NIC office, so I will be going through it. They have sent me the gate pass through mail to them, so I will go inside and check the printers, unbox it and try the installation. I have reached NIC office. Video conferencing room. National Information Service. So I have reached the NIC office now, and I'm about to install the printer. The pack is nicely sealed, not to damage the product. This is the USB cable, and this is the power cable. And it comes with the CD of printer software CD. This is it. This is the printer. It's really beautiful, nice look. And now I have to unpack all the seals. We have to take out all these seals because they put this in order to prevent from damaging. Before we install, we must take out all these seals. Everything must have to be removed. It comes with a scanner. It is A4 size, maximum A4. The printer model is PMX4031adn, and it comes with a nice logo print, powered by Landmark. So we have a paper tray, 2 paper trays on top, and this is the scanner. Unboxing is over and there is no damage at all. I can see everything. Since they packed it very well, very nicely, wrapped up with lots of papers, no damage. It's in a good condition. So now let us just plug in the power and then install the software and try printing out. And here is the cartridge of the printer. We'll have to check the cartridge. To open the cartridge, you have to press the side. It's given A here, so you have to press this, and the lid, the cover comes out like this very easily. And then you have to pull out the cartridge, hold this handle, and then just pull out. So we first must have to remove the cartridge, and then remove all the seal, everything here. Okay. Put back the cartridge inside again. This is somehow not familiar with me because other printers like Canon and Epson laser printers, it's not like this. But here it comes a little bit complicated here, so, and just insert it there again. So this is the way of opening the cartridges of this printer. And close it. the power is on. It comes with a little LED touch screen. So this is the power on button. It comes with two cables. One is a USB port cable connected to the computer, PC and printer, and one is a internet LAN cable. As soon as the printer is on, we have to go configuring some settings here. It's asking for language. I have to press English and then go press next. And then an admin account will provide better security for your printer. Do you want to set it up now? So this one I can skip because it is an office use. So let me just skip setup later. And it's asking for region. Select country or region. Here I will click India. And then next. Wireless is currently not set up. Do you want to set up it now? I will set up this later. Initial setup wizard. Setup completed. Okay. And I press OK. It comes with the first touch like copy, email, and setup of supplies. And all the settings are here. It's a touch screen. So let me try with one Xerox copy before installing the software. So let's make as a copy. You have to choose how many copies you want to print it out. One, or here if you press the plus sign, the number comes up to whatever copies you want. ID printing can be done. Copy from A4. So one side to one side. Scale auto, darkness. All this can be set up here. And let me just try one Xerox copy. This is the invoice of the purchase details. So let me just try this. And if you open here, you can see the orientation of the scanner. As you can see here, it is A4 and arrow mark is been given here. So every time you go for Xerox scanning, you have to keep the paper, the top header of the paper on this side, upside. This means up. Arrow mark is given here. You have to load the paper here. Then close the lid, scanner, and then make a copy of one. Copy one. Here also you can have a home button, back button, and start printing. So let me just start one. Two paper loaders. This is the top one, and below you will find one paper loader here. This is one. It is written here one. So for loading the paper sheet one, we can adjust the paper size here like this, and according to the length of the paper you can push this like this. Okay, you can also load legal size paper. You can fully remove the tray here and insert the paper, and then you can adjust the size of the paper, take it out and adjust it outside, and then when it is loaded you can just insert it back again, the tray. So this is it. Start a copy. Doors closed. Now start the print and see. So it's very quick, and the first print comes out with a clear image. This is very clear, as you can see. Scan the next page. We can scan and store it, and also do a multiple printing one at a time. Now the printing is completed, so finish the job. Okay, the realignment of the cartridge is being done by itself. So now let me just install the software and do the printing in the computer and see. First we need to insert the installation driver software. Printer driver software comes with a CD, and we have to insert this CD into the drive, DVD drive, and
Hello.
and before you start the installation of the driver software, we must first connect the printer's USB port here. It's behind the printer. It is here. And insert the USB cable into the CPU. As soon as you insert, the driver itself pops up here, and double click and open the software and click the printer software command utility. I shall not go all the process of installing the software, because installation of all the softwares are just the same. I will just skip this installation process because it will take more time. Installing of the software is completed now, and I have to find my printer here before starting for printing. So here you can see in the drop down bottom of a printer settings, you can go here, Printmark PMX4031adn is ready to print. So I select the printer now, and for the preferences it's all same as other printers too. This is only a laser printer that will come as black and white grayscale printing, so you don't need to go for any other settings. If you want the page setup is here, and then how many pages you want to print, let's say page 1 of 1. Let's just start printing and see it. This has come. This is the first print I've made. The print is very fast and it's good. This one, the photo signature, I will keep this report with the staff, okay? The officer did not come today. Let me leave the report with the staff. So one staff is here. Will it be okay? Okay. So here, what do I need to do? How do I fill up? Okay. Just send me. I have completed installing the software, and the scanner too is working. Printing is working. It's quite fast. I have skipped the installation process because it may take time. Installation process is all the same with other softwares. So that's why I skipped the installation process, and now everything is being installed and it's ready to use. So friends, installing of a new printer that comes from Printmark, a brand product of India. Installing this printer is completed now, and once again I have to repeat, there is no sponsorship making this video from any other company or anything. This is my personal vlog. This is my first time operating this, and it's very nice. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and if you do like this video, hit the bell icon to subscribe for more videos coming up, and please do share my videos. Thank you so much everyone for watching. This is Common PD signing off. Bye bye.